Hey guys, welcome back to new tutorial video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get logged into your ChatGPT account. Now follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. And before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get started. First of all, open up any web browser on your PC. And there on the URL, search for chat.openai.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be able to see this type of interface on your screen. Now, if you're new to this ChatGPT and want to create an account for you, then you can tap on sign up button and fill all the required details to create your ChatGPT account. Now, if you already have an account and want to get logged into your ChatGPT account, then you have to simply tap on login button here. And there you will take into the next page where you have to type in your email address, and if you have created your ChatGPT account using either your Google account or your Microsoft account, then you have to tap on one of these options and then get logged into your ChatGPT account. Now if you have created your ChatGPT account using your email address, then type in your email address here and then tap on continue button. Now you have to enter your account password. You can tap on I icon to reveal and confirm your password, and in case you have forgotten your password, you can retrieve it by tapping on forget password link. Now tap on continue button in order to get logged into your ChatGPT account. Here you go, you have successfully get logged into your ChatGPT account. So that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your ChatGPT account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a big thumbs up. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in my next video.